How to upload video on Tinder. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Tinder application in your mobile device. And make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now once you are on this interface, navigate to top right corner and tap on your profile icon. That will take you to your profile page. Now to upload video on Tinder, on your profile there is a small pen icon, tap on it. Then you will get to edit profile where you can add photo or video to your profile. So you have to tap on this plus icon from this interface. After you do that, you have to choose either you want to take a picture from a camera or to upload from your library. So if you have your video in your library or in a gallery in your device, tap on the second option that says upload from library. From here you have to go to videos and then you have to choose a video that you would like to add in your Tinder account. For example, I have this video right here. Now you have to trim and crop the part of video that you would like to add in your Tinder account. You can move this dragger on your interface from here and choose the part that you want to upload. Once it's on, tap on this next option from the top right corner. And then tap on done. And with that you have added a video in your Tinder profile. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.